I like to sear our chicken first, brings out a little more flavor. Skinless chicken, keep the fat out, you don't need it. Put that right into our pot here and just cook it for a minute. I'm going to add a mirepoix to that, which is celery, onion, and carrot. A mixture of celery, onion, and carrot. I like to cut the carrots a little bit bigger because as they cook, we don't want them just to mush. We're going to put that in on top of the chicken and cook that an extra minute or so. A dash teaspoon of salt, some fresh ground pepper, garlic, about a tablespoon of garlic. It gives it that little extra flavor. I want to add about a teaspoon of sage to this, which is our seasoning. And last is a cup of frozen corn. Canned corn has a little bit too much salt, so we're going to use the frozen corn. My version, you can omit this if you want, about 1 can of whole tomatoes to that. Just adds a little extra flavor. Of course, cover that with water, about 2 quarts of water. I'm going to cook this out about 1 hour and 45 minutes. Basically, when we're done, there's 2 ways to do it. You can throw your wheat eggless noodles, I should call them, or egg yolkless noodles into your pot and cook them out, or you can cook your noodles on the side and then add them as you're going to serve your soup. When you're done, the most important part, let it rest for about a minute or 2. Basically, all of your fat, or whatever fat is left, is going to come to the top, your oils, and we want to make sure we take a ladle and skim that off. Don't forget, chicken soup's been prescribed as a cure for the common cold, dating all the way back to ancient Egypt.